Happy TT everyone! Travel Thursday! Today we are headed to Norway, so off to the train station, bus station, and the airport.
Let's get this party started.
We're going to Stavanger. Casey's stoked.
So stoked.
Hey guys, this is Zane's formal coming to
Yo,
Malta.
what's up, vlog? Chillin', heading to Morocco, of course.
You guys, it's super late, but made it to our apartment. Now we're gonna go to bed.
Good morning. We are currently walking to the town.
It's really cute, and there's sounds in the background, and we're in Norway.
Yeah.
Stavanger.
Yeah, however you say that. And we're gonna go get some breakfast and then go to the grocery store and get groceries, and then Lainey's gonna meet us.
Yeah.
And we're gonna go on a super lit fire hike later.
Yeah, so
Question
we'll
mark.
Keep vlogging, and tomorrow we're going kayaking.
Yeah.
I'm excited for that.
Oh, we're supposed to go straight and then it's barricaded. Oh wait, no, there's a gap. Okay, bye.
Okay, already ate it, but this is so good. Vlog, look who's here. Lainey's here. Just literally straight from the airport. So we've just been shopping all day, and I think this is the best shopping I've seen so far, besides maybe Paris. But I think I'm losing a lot of money today. And like, just look at these cute little stores. Welcome back to the channel. So we basically just shopped all day long. We faded the hike and just went into a bunch of thrift stores. So we're gonna show you all what we got. I'm gonna start off. I got this Ralph Lauren sweater from the thrift store, just long sleeve. Definitely gonna be hard to pack up, but so are these. It's okay.
It's a
And
theme
then-
for her actually for this trip.
Got some boots. Did I come with a full backpack? Yes. Am I gonna wear these all on the flight home? Also yes, probably. And then Ella's gonna show you what she got.
Yeah. I got this brown.
Yeah,
sheer
so
top.
cute. And we're gonna share it because
We're sharing it. Ella actually found it first.
I found it. I was like, oh, look how cute, but I didn't try it on.
Yeah. I got this book. Actually, Ella.
Favorite series.
Yeah. She loved it. But I'm hoping it's gonna help with the plane ride home because
Oops.
I'm not gonna know what to do, and so instead of crying, I'm just gonna read. And then I got this jacket.
Super cute too. Can't wait to wear it in Oxford.
And tonight, please.
And tonight. But that's all we got. Maybe Lainey and Casey will show you guys theirs later. But yeah. Morning! It's Saturday!
Morning!
And we're going kayaking. So we're getting picked up in like 10 minutes. Oops. And we're gonna kayak for 4 hours around the fjords, I think. So yeah, we're excited!
We'll show pics and vids.
Alright, mate. Kind of made it to this kayak thing, but it's just somebody's house, so we don't know where to go. And I decided to go shopping, and I got a new outfit, so I'm gonna show you.
It was miserable this morning. Really?
Can you see some? That was. Hey guys, halfway mark. We can see Poppet Rock. There it is. A little tired, I don't know why, but we're rocking. We are rocking. A lot of arm strength, but very cool. Just finished our kayak ride. It was so much fun.
Yes.
Ratings? Up higher.
11 out of 10.
11 out of 10. That is a scale. What even is that? Okay, so we made it back from kayaking, and I'm currently on my way to Mass, and you guys, I'm wearing the new shoes. So, hopefully it was a worth it purchase. The girls are staying back. They're gonna cook dinner soon, and I think we're gonna head tonight and try to do some karaoke, because that seems to be a big thing here. We've seen like 3 karaoke spots in Norway, so I think we might check it out. Stay tuned to see if we sing.
Hi you guys, so now we're making dinner and I was supposed to film while making dinner and Ella was out at mass, and I did it. So
But here's the lineup.
our leading lady is back.
And we're making veggies. And chicken and
I don't know what
potatoes.
to use to take the potatoes.
The bathroom
towel.
towel.
And
We have no seasoning, no butter, no oil.
salt. So,
That's it.
fun
We'll rate it after
night of experiments. But Casey's wearing her new. Oh, I'm behind you. Sorry. Casey's wearing her new shirt. Okay, I'm just going like this. Hold on. Sorry. Whoa.
We're all wearing something.
And Ella. I have my jacket on. Ooh, ooh. Lainey.
My sweater.
Mine's
And
not
Ella.
on. No, they're not on yet. My boots.
Yeah, that's all. That's all, folks.
Okay, you guys, we're gonna go karaoke sing.
With the Norwegian.
Yep. Well, I don't know what our song is yet, but
Yeah.
we'll pick there and I'll insert a clip of us singing. Hey squad, we did not go karaokeing, but instead we got ice cream.
At Burger King.
Yep. And that's our ending the night. And we leave tomorrow at 6 a.m. so we gotta get up in like 5 hours, but what else? So we showed you that we got ice cream and now we're just gonna watch a movie and go to bed even though we have to be up in T-minus 5 hours, but
We're just making the most of it.
yep, it was a good trip. And we got to sleep in the past 2 days, so I think it'll be okay that we're
Yeah. It was awesome.
Yeah. Okay, right now, I'm kind of seeing it.
That we look like.
The corner face. Hey guys.
Comment down below.
Comment down below if you think we look like, because we have been told like 1,800 times that we do. And in Morocco last week, we had
Yeah,
like,
if we look like.
we had like 4 people be like, sisters?
Yeah, are you sisters?
I don't really know, but
I think our mannerisms are really similar. Like when
Yeah.
we talk.
I can see that. So comment down below if you think we look like.